Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please do well to click on the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. Okay, so today I'm going to be taking you guys through my hair care routine, but today I'm gonna be trying the okra recipe. Okay, so guys, this is my hair. I braided it for about 3 weeks ago. It's kind of old now, so I have to lose the hair and then take you guys through everything. So I hear a lot of people say, Blessing, your hair is so long, do you do anything special to the hair of some sort? But the fact is, no, there's nothing special. I just do the normal things that are required of me to do for my hair. For example, I do not make tight braids, okay? I make sure all my styles are protective styles, and I go to really good stylists who know how to handle and manage hair. Okay, not everyone knows how to do that. So guys, I'm just gonna lose my hair. Okay, I kind of went out this afternoon, so I lose the tip of the hair there, so I'm just gonna complete the rest now. Okay guys, so as I was saying, I usually go to stylists or salons where they handle my hair properly. Not everyone knows how to handle hair, okay? There are some people who handle hair as though it's not part of the human body, but I care for my hair, I pamper my hair, I connect so much with my hair because my hair means a lot to me, guys. Okay, so I'm just gonna lose the hair carefully. Okay, let's make this process faster. I lose my hair carefully, guys. Okay, so today we're gonna be using okra to soften my hair and strengthen my hair before I'm gonna wash it. Okay guys, that's basically what I'm gonna do today. Okay, just a friendly reminder, guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please turn on the subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when next I'm posting a new video. Okay, thank you very much, and do well to like this video so more people can watch this. Okay, thank you so much, guys. So I'm just gonna be completing the losing process. Okay, I'm gonna complete this. Okay guys, the hair feels really soft. It's I'm not applying too much force losing the braids because it was a very protective hairstyle, as I said before. So guys, I'm done losing the hair, or better still, I'm almost done. Okay, I'm done losing the hair. I'm gonna flex it a little bit because oh my god, I love my hair so much and it's looking really good. Like, I can't just get over this feeling, man. I just have to dance to it, guys. The hair looks really nice because it's been well taken care of. Okay, so next I'm gonna give myself a really good scalp massage. See guys, you can't get enough of the scalp massage. Like, it's basically a huge thing for us. Okay, so these are what we are gonna be making use of: some okra, gelatin, and a hair conditioner, guys. So I'm gonna get my pan and I'm gonna cut my okra into my pan. Okay, just cut your okra into your pan, and yes, the amount of the ingredients you're gonna use is dependent on your hair size, the volume of your hair, guys. the length of your hair, because some people just want to apply this all over their hair, but I'm just gonna apply on my scalp, okay, and then give myself a good massage. So you bring the okra to a boil, you add a little water and let it boil, okay. You know when it's ready, when the water becomes very slacky, guys. So I'm just gonna sieve this into a container, get all the juice out into a container, okay guys. So next, just gonna check it. Look how wonderful that looks. Just take a good look at it. It looks really wonderful, guys. So next, I'm gonna be adding my gelatin, okay, a little bit of gelatin. Don't add too much, if not this recipe is gonna be too thick. Just add a little bit of gelatin, okay guys. So there we have it, gelatin. You mix it very well. And next, I'm gonna be adding my conditioner. As you can see, it's not branded, which means you can use whichever conditioner you have, okay. Just add your conditioner and turn it very well until you get a consistency that's similar to this, okay. Just take a good look at that. It looks really good, okay. So next, guys, I'm gonna be adding this to my hair, okay. I'm gonna be adding on my roots. See, give yourself massage when you're doing this stuff, man. Massage your scalp just to make sure that the blood is flowing on your scalp, guys. That's like one key thing for hair growth. It's a major thing. You can't go wrong with scalp massage. You can't overdo scalp massage, okay. So massage your scalp as much as possible. So I'm done putting that on my hair. I'm just gonna wrap the hair and then apply the remaining on it, okay guys. Apply the remaining on it, on my hair. I make sure to apply everything on my hair. This is the main reason why I said don't make too much of it. When you're making, make sure your measurements are in line with your hair volume, okay, so you don't have too much. You know, basically what we want to do here is to make sure we use everything at once, okay guys. So I'm just gonna get my shower cap. I'm done putting this on my hair. I've massaged my front hair. What I'm gonna do next is to get a shower cap, okay guys. I'm gonna get a shower cap and then I cover my hair with the shower cap. So I'm gonna leave this on for at least 30 minutes, okay, just to let it soften my hair, let my hair be moisturized, let it seep into my scalp and all that, okay. So just gonna remove my shower cap and give myself scalp massage, guys. For the fun of it, scalp massage feels really good, okay guys. Feels really good. So I'm gonna wash my hair. That happened really fast, right? But I carried this for like 30 minutes. So I've washed my hair, I've dried my hair. Next, I'm gonna apply a really special oil, okay. So I apply 2 types of oil on my hair. The first oil is the canola oil, okay. You can buy it in the market. Canola oil, just plain basic canola oil. So my mom made this one. So after applying the canola oil, I'm gonna be making use of another oil, but this one I made it specially for myself. It's a mixture of different types of oils, but guys, I'll talk more about that in another video, okay. I'll talk more about my special oil in another video. So here's the oil, guys. I'm just gonna apply it on my hair. apply, massage your hair, guys. Massage it. Apply and massage. So you can either wait for your hair to get dry before combing, or you can just comb it just like me. I like combing my hair when it's wet. For some people it's not comfortable, but for me it's comfortable, guys. So whichever way you want it. I comb my hair. You can see how nice my hair is looking. Okay, and I like my hair drying out naturally. Okay, guys, so we have come to the end of this video. Please like, please subscribe. I'll be bringing more stuff like this to your view, so please turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified when next I post a new video. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Bye.